So friends, today we will start nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is a reaction in which the nucleus of an atom splits into two or more smaller nuclei. Nuclear fission cannot happen with every atom. It can only happen with elements in which the atom nuclei is not stable, meaning it has more protons. It means that uranium, which has 92 protons, increases the repulsive force between protons which are positive, and the force of binding neutrons are not enough to keep it together. So when even a neutron is fired at the nuclei, it bursts up to form two smaller nuclei. Like uranium, when uranium-235 is bombarded with a neutron, it forms uranium-236, and then uranium-236 automatically breaks down to form krypton and barium. Krypton and barium can also be further changed into more nuclear fission products. Time nuclear reactions start automatically in nature, but because of this precious uranium-235, which can be used to make nuclear reactors, goes out and forms less stable. Nowadays, this nuclear reactor in nature does not form, but millions of years ago these formed as a result of many things coming together at a specific place, like a tunnel in which the rocks were composed mostly of uranium and they started combusting because of lighting or any other energy. This caused them to burn for lakhs of years after slowly cooling down and forming more stable uranium isotopes. Nuclear fission can happen in a way called radioactive decay. In this, no neutron bombardment is required. In this, you only need to shoot a proton to a heavy nuclei of uranium like uranium-239. This uranium-239 is very unstable and it breaks down in such a high speed that we do not need more neutrons. It breaks automatically and breaks more and more atoms along with it till all the fuel is exhausted. This is also called spontaneous fission. The other way of nuclear fission is nuclear reaction in which a neutron is fired, which I have told you in the past. It releases high speed that in some atomic bombs at a diameter of 27 kilometers all the things vaporize instantly, meaning they become vapor. Even trees, buildings or humans in a diameter of 27 kilometers. So in this nuclear fission reaction in which uranium-235 when bombarded with a neutron becomes uranium-236, which forms krypton-92 plus barium-141 plus energy, also yields two neutrons. These two neutrons further collide with other atoms and these atoms form more neutrons, and this reaction goes on and goes on, and this means it is a chain reaction. It starts from one and continues till all the fuel is exhausted. It is used in nuclear bombs. It causes mass destruction, like the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombings of 1945. It is used to make nuclear reactor fuel, as when chain reaction starts, it releases heat. This heat is used to convert water into steam, and this steam further drives the turbines. So friends, in next video we will discuss nuclear reactors, how they work, and nuclear bombs. So this much for today.